to Butler Creative Childcare Resources video series on tips for using our weekly program and reflection diaries. In this video, we will show you an example of how we have used the Out of School Hours Care weekly programming and reflection diary with a theme called Animals, Animals, Animals. Let's look first at the programming spread. Slightly different to the EYLF diaries, these 2 pages are designed to note down your My Time, Our Place creative thinking program. The layout is designed with space to take notes based on interests, parent input, ideas, follow-ups, and notes to self. This diary is aimed at the older child, so rather than stories and songs, we have suggested areas for group activities and cooking, construction and board games, and fine motor, cognitive and language. This week we focused on animal-themed food and cooking, looking for creative ways to present and share our food. The construction and board games centred around our new Hungry Hippo board game, Lego, Snakes and Ladders, and Angry Birds. In the fine motor and language boxes, we spoke about Remembrance Day, matching animals to country of origin, some animal printables, and a hip-hop dance demo. These led us into our art and craft activities for the week. We planned a week-long project of a huge group mural as well as individual projects like egg carton poppies, mobiles, and toilet roll animals. A spontaneous project came about on Friday when we built an Angry Birds wall out of boxes and balloons and used soccer balls to knock the wall down. In the science, environment and multicultural fields, we noted our discussion about poppies and why they are used, continued with our mural, and explored how animals of sea, land and sky live in harmony. We had show and tell with an ant farm. We made seedling starters with our leftover toilet rolls and discussed how an Angry Bird catapult works. Spontaneous choices included animal-themed DVDs and a hip-hop dance-off. Outdoor experiences and choices were programmed as free play, games and a visit to our trampoline construction site. This week's reflection spread documents our animal-themed week and also reflects on our exploration of Remembrance Day on the 11th of November. We spoke about our week in general and how busy it was. Our observation pics of worksheets flowed onto the intentional teaching section with our Lego animals and amazing food like Angry Bird pizza, echidna watermelon, and capsicum in hummus dip. We reflected on our goals for learning outcomes, including our focus for the week on Learning Outcome 4. Our learning data and resources are shown with our animal masks and the materials and toys we used, like plastic animals in a huge zoo made of blocks. The Professional Inquiry section was used this week to showcase our animal food. And Changes to the Environment section showed our visit to the nearly completed trampoline pit. We detailed the plans for different children's holiday plans in the Parent Input section. In the Routines and Transitions sections, we highlighted the board games we used that helped theme our activities. Yet again, we showed individual and group observations and referenced the My Time, Our Place learning outcomes. The photographic evidence section allowed us to detail the egg carton poppies we made, our seedling starters, our amazing life-size Angry Birds wall, our giraffe toilet rolls, and our group animal mural. Finally, our extension planning involved thinking about making Christmas gifts, which was transferred over to the beginning of next week's programming spread.